Today we'll discuss top 5 Visual Studio Code keyboard shortcuts. So if you come to the VS Studio Code site in the key binding section, so you'll have different operating systems. So one of them is Windows. So today we'll see in Windows. If you click on this, you'll get the keyboard shortcut PDF. So there are so many things. So today we are going to discuss top 5. So which generally developers in day-to-day life they will use very frequently. The first the shortcut is duplicating a particular line or a section. So I wanted to duplicate this particular line. See, for example, this line. Just place the cursor there, and then you have to give Alt Shift and down arrow. So Alt Shift and down arrow key. See, it is duplicating. Alt Shift down arrow is the duplicate line shortcut. So now let's see if I wanted to duplicate chunk of lines. So just select the chunk of lines which you wanted to duplicate and do the same Alt Shift and down arrow. See, chunk of lines is being duplicated. So this is the duplicating a line or a section. The shortcut for that is Alt Shift plus down arrow. So Alt Shift plus down arrow is the duplicate line or a section. And then I wanted to delete a particular line. So Control Shift K. So let me duplicate this line. So Alt Shift down arrow. I wanted to delete this particular thing. So this in between there are gaps, right? So I wanted to delete. So what is the shortcut? Control Shift K. Control Shift K. See, it is deleting. Control Shift K. Control Shift K. See, all those things has been deleted. So Control Shift K is the deleting a particular line. And then I wanted to open a toggle bar, toggle sidebar. So see, when you are opening, for example, this is the toggle sidebar. I wanted to see only this as complete window. So the shortcut is Control B. See, again, if you want back, you press Control B, like this. Control B. Control B, it'll toggle the sidebar. So whenever developer wants to see full screen, then they can. And if they wanted to see the total file structure, all those things, hierarchy, you can do again Control B. It will show. So if you don't want to use shortcut, and here there is a icon, right? You click on this, it will go. Again click on it, it will come. This is the other manual way. Shortcut is Control B. Control B. So Control B is the shortcut for toggling the sidebar. So now move lines. Let's say I wanted to move this line to top. Just Alt and up arrow like this. So if I wanted to move onto top, Alt and up arrow. The bottom, so Alt and up arrow, down arrow you can use. So if you wanted to move the lines, Alt and up arrow, down arrow you can use. Wherever you want, you can place it. Alt, up arrow or down arrow to move a particular line or a section, the section of lines also. Not only particular line, a section of lines also, if you wanted to move, you can move. And then the last one is go open any file or go to files. So I wanted to open a file. So for that, Control P. It will list down all the files here. Control P, and then you can choose whichever the file you want. So Control P, I wanted to go to samples.html. See, it is again Control P, um, test.html. So let me close both of this and then do Control P. See, to just open from here. So this will be very helpful if you have many files. So you don't need to see. Just do Control P and then give the file name. Select the file name or type also is there. You can type here Control P test. Then it will filter. So I hope these 5 shortcuts will be very useful. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, guys. Thank you.